Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be measuring this and reviewing this giant wall clock. It may look small in video, but this thing is massive visually. Like, this is just what it looks like compared to my hand. So we're gonna first measure it. It's gonna be pretty hard because I only have one hand. So yeah, just give me a second. Okay. Sorry guys, we're back now. So this thing's pretty hard to measure. So about 13 or 14, I would say. 13 or 14 inches. So basically on this clock, it has the Arabic numerals. It is giant. Like, this thing is just absolutely massive. So let's take it off the wall. Oh my god, it's so heavy. This clock is not atomic. Most of the clocks I own are not atomic. I have lots of alarm clocks that I'll also show in the future. So right now it is currently 11:51. So the bigger the clock is, the easier you'll be able to tell what time it is. Yeah, it's 11:51, so that seems about accurate. Here's the back to this little thing here. It's kind of like a net design. The back. This is the port number, I think. But yeah, the thing is huge. If you ever plan to buy a clock like this, just know that it is massive. There's the close up. Well, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.